This right here is probably the smallest tire inflator you will ever find in the market. Super light, small, can fit anywhere. You can fit in your purse, your glove box. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this and let's see what this thing can do. So this is everything that comes in the box. You have your charger, you have these adapters right here. This is to inflate like a basketball or something like that. This is the back of the box right here. You have your model number right here, and you have your information right here. Max output pressure 120 psi. Then you got your manual right here. This is the actual pump. Oh, and you have the hose right here, which is, I thought that's pretty neat. So to install the hose, you just simply screw it in there, and when you're done, you just put it back in this little hole right there. Push it in, that locks it in place so you don't lose the hose. And you have your little bag right here, so you can keep everything in the bag and not lose any of these stuff. So before we put this thing to the test, let's go ahead and turn it on first. So this is the power button. What you do is you press and hold it. You wait for those three little dots to turn on. All right, so this is what it looks like. So you have your car mode, and you can change the setting to motorcycle, bicycle, basketball right there. This thing also has a little LED light right there. What you do is you double press the U button right here. Press and hold it twice. All right, so that'll turn it on. I mean, it's pretty bright. Let me see if I can show you guys how bright it is. Give me 1 second. All right, so we're in my wife's bathroom, and this is how bright it is. You can see all that dirty crevices on her floor. Oh, her floor is so dirty. I'm just kidding. She has the cleanest bathroom ever. So this is how bright this LED light is. If you get a flat tire in the middle of the night and you can't see anything, you know, all you do is you pull this thing out, turn that light on, put your hose right there, and you can inflate that tire real quick. Also, one thing I want to mention before we test this out, super lightweight, and look how tiny it is. I mean, you can pretty much pull this. You can fit this in the back of your pocket and pull it out and save the day. If you see a cute girl that you've been eyeing in the gym and she has a flat tire and she goes, "Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do," and you're like, "Well, don't worry, baby. I'm here to save the day." You can pull this thing out real quick. It's none of your business. Or if you're a girl as well and you've been eyeing this guy in the gym, he's freaking out, "Oh my God, I got a flat tire," and you're like, "Oh, don't worry, baby. I can pull this thing out and save the day." Hey, don't tell mommy. Now I have this Ford Mustang here sitting on a flat tire. As you can see, goes in right here. All right, go ahead and turn it on. So let's go ahead and put this to the test, and let's see what this thing can do. 36 psi. You can see it's on the that vehicle icon right there, that little logo right there. So we're just gonna set it there and see if it turns off when it reaches 35 psi. All right, so we're 34 psi, almost there. Yep, so it turned off by itself, so that's pretty awesome. Let's go ahead and test it out on my motorcycle. And we have a basketball there that's flat, and my son's bicycle right here. It says 45 max psi in this one. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, we're gonna change the setting to motorcycle right here, and we're gonna set it to do like 35 psi for now, because I don't want to put too much air in this tire. 35. .35 psi, that inflated it with no problems at all. This thing is pretty awesome. I don't know about you guys, but this is definitely something that you want to have, you know, in your glove box or your trunk or your purse. All right, we're gonna test it out on my son's bicycle right here. This one says 35 psi. Of course, we have to change this setting. Bicycle right there. We'll do like 27 psi or 28. That thing goes up real quick. That tire is kind of dry rotted. All right, so I didn't want to go all the way to 28 psi, even though it says 35 psi, only because this tire is kind of dry rotted and I didn't want to put too much air in that. But I think it's safe to say that it has no problem inflating a bicycle tire. Now our last test is gonna be that basketball right there. All right, so you have this tool that you're just gonna screw it in there, just like that. It's at 7 or 9 psi. So we're gonna do 6 psi. Let's see if we can find a hole. 3.5. I think this might have a leak. All right, stopped. You guys saw me fully inflate the tire in my Mustang, my motorcycle, my son's bicycle as well, and a basketball. And this is the battery life that I have left. It's orange, still got some life left in it, but I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up. And I do highly recommend this air pump. I'm not just saying that because I'm making a video about it, but this thing is definitely awesome. All right, so that is the video for today. If you guys want the same air pump that I have, all you gotta do is click the link down below in the description, and I'll have a discount code for you guys as well. And my son here will take it away for you guys.
Make sure to like, comment,